Hello. This is kind of an impromptu video. I got this today, and I scratched out all my address stuff so you can see. I'm pretty sure this is Fright Crate, but Fright Crate usually has like a theme label on it, and also I had canceled this like a long time ago. I wasn't expecting another one. I got a email not too long ago with the shipping information, and I was like, okay. So I went and looked to make sure I did, because I haven't paid for one of these in a very long time. So I went to my shipping information, and it says the last one I paid for was in December, and these were bi-monthly boxes. So this might be from December, maybe a different month. I'm not sure. I really don't. And I don't know what's inside because there's usually a theme sticker. So we're going to open this surprise box. I'm going to lift this up so it's going to kind of block my face a little bit. But hopefully it won't pick up as much of the like packaging opening. So we're going to blind open this right now. I wish I had more room on this desk. I should just start. Oh, this opens this way. I'm trying to open it the wrong way. Scoop my keyboard. Okay. All right. Blind. Going in blind. Alright, this feels like a shirt. So let's check this out. It's like mummy? Maybe I didn't get a good look at it. Oh, maybe the Invisible Man. Oh, Dark Man. Nice. Nice. That's nice and bright. As I cover my mouth. Nice and bright. I like that. I did take a peek, but I didn't really see anything besides packaging. This is loud. So let's get this out of the way. Try to hold it down here so there's not so much rustling on the mic as I try to figure out how to blindly open this. Okay, I need the scissors. Throw that over there. So. This is a Tiffany and Chucky. That's cloth. Not sure what it is. Oh, is that a pillowcase? Nice. There's Tiffany. Eat your heart out. Nice. And we got Chucky. I love this bright yellow. I just bought a new sheet set the other day, but I don't know if this would go with it. Good guys. I do Jumbla a week. Nice. I don't know if my husband would allow me to use that. Here's like a pin. It's like Chucky. It says good guys. You see it? There we go. I don't know why it went purple there. It's good guys. And then we got a big box inside here. And I think that is it. Yeah, I don't see anything else in here. Ooh, the World's End. Let's see. It is an exclusive from Loot Crate. It has all the different bars. 12 historic ale houses. Has that on there. The glorious Golden Mile. It's kind of. Just turn the light off. That did not help. But there's that. Nice. Seems like a nice heavy cup. We're gonna put it away. I don't want that much scratching going on, so we're gonna move this. Move this. And I'll put that away when I'm not on camera. So, what'd you think of the mystery? Have y'all got this box? Anybody who gets Fright Loot, have you got this box? And if so, what month did it come out? I have no clue. Because according to my subscription, I haven't paid since December. So, I don't know. So, everybody have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.